Hi guys, my name is Emma and I'm very happy to see you again here with me. So guys, you often ask me the questions about detailed information about my strategy on support and resistance lines. That's why I'm recording this video with the most detailed explanation of this strategy. You know, in general, it's very cool to get such requests from you. It means that you're very interested in trading, and you know, I really feel people who are on the same vibes as me. Yes, and I can chat with them for hours and I will never get bored. That's why I really want to invite you to my Telegram chat. There I post trading signals and there I communicate with members of this chat. You know, it's very good. And if you join this Telegram chat, it will be easier for me to support you, to help you to become a trader if you're only a beginner. So you just need to find the link in the description under this video, write me the code word private into the personal messages and I will quickly add you to my team. And I have the open Telegram channel with the reviews from the people who are already members of this chat. They share their ideas there, their results, and it is very interesting to read, so just read this thing too. Well guys, we're ready to start, but before we do that, subscribe to the channel, put your like and write a comment. Any question, any request, any ideas that you have, I will be very happy to read everything. So let's get started. Hi everyone, today I will try to explain you how to work out the situations at the levels and when exactly to open a trade and for what period of time. Well guys, I must tell you that it's a mistake to believe only watching trading videos will make you professional right away. It's not enough to be aware of the technical component of trading market only. You have to feel and understand market in general. And to achieve this, you have to get your own experience, which you will be garnering over the years of trading, because things do not just happen. You have to constantly trade and accumulate the experience, memorize the price behavior at the levels, and what trading situations develop for a given period of time. You know, the financial market sphere is some other professionals are not for everyone. Someone is ready to see into this and succeeds, while others are not, but they will definitely find themselves in another business. That's the way the world works, everyone to his trade. Well, let's get started and I'll try to explain you how to work with the levels. We start trading and we first need to determine the level. For this, I'm divided the chart to the left in order to find the recent highest point. I've used in the 15 seconds time frame. It is usually necessary to rewind an hour ago, but time of course can differ. And I'm setting a horizontal line due to the highest values of these candlesticks, and I'm focusing on this level since the price is moving to this one. I'm returning to the beginning of the chart. Here you can observe a good and positive upward movement, and besides the price hasn't yet reached the resistance level. So in this situation we need to open a trade with up for 3 minutes. The price will most likely move to this level since this is a very good potential for an increase and it's been moving very confidently to the level. After the price has rolled back down, it's the venture up our accumulation of powers. Since the price doesn't roll back further down, here this is the sign movements go on. Mainly the price starts growing up, therefore in this situation the price is more likely to rise to a level. We open the trade for 3 minutes, take into account that flat may occur or a slight rollback down is also possible. And after that the price will probably try to hit the resistance level, so guys, let's wait until the end of our first trade and see what can happen. Well guys, you see the price really continued its movement to the level, and after it touched it, there was a slight rollback downwards. So this is a normal direction at the level. From this point the price turns down, but after that it again moved upward. Also the price minimum becomes higher, thereby sticking to this level. You know, this indicates that in the near future this level will be broken. We also see that at the moment it has already gone beyond our level and fixed about it. The price may also return to the previous range, but there is no big rollback down while the price and the minimum remain higher. So there are different breakouts of the level. Sometimes the price immediately goes up in an impulse, otherwise it is a slow, smooth breakout. I think that in this situation the price will soon continue its upward movement. This level will be broken through fully and the price will go higher. So in this edition it will be possible to open a trade at the very level for an increase just 1 or 2 minutes, or the second way is to wait until the price breaks this level and after that enter the market with down movement, because in most cases after the breaking through a rollback occurs down. Therefore in this edition, after breaking through of the level, I will open a trade with down. Well guys, how to understand that the breakout is completed and now there will be a rollback down? You just need to watch the price and you will see that after this the price slows down, only lock wicks are left up and the red candlestick can also form. And of course pay attention to how exactly this level was broken through. Was it a strong move or not? And also all kinds of candle patterns can serve as a hint. And therefore in this edition I opened the trade just for 1 minute, because in most cases in 1 minute is enough, and during this time the price rolls back down. So here a rollback will probably occur, and guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, as you can see there was a small rollback down, and in this situation 1 minute was quite enough. The price is moving slowly but confidently, and I have seen this similar situation in the market hundreds of times, and of course my memory also helps me to determine the further price movements. That's what I'm talking about, it's the experience that you need. Well, let's consider the next situation. Here you can see that it was a very good and confident upward movement. Look at the resistance level at the top, the price touched the level and there was a rollback down, and after that the price fell into the range and is moving sideways. This situation is called the small flat or accumulation. Then after a while, price exits from this and this flat direct into the level. So in this situation I will open a trade for 2 minutes with up movement, because in this situation the price has gained strength and goes up, and perhaps in the near future this level will be broken through, and we are watching it right now. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's not bad. Let's repeat it once again. After exiting the trade, the price continued moving to the level, and then this level was broken through by a good impulsive green candlestick, and after the breakout the rollback down occurred and then price moved upwards. So this level is no longer resistance for the price. So guys, let's continue and see how the price can also react at the levels. Well, here you're observing the resistance level. At the moment the price is impulsively breaking it through. We will open a trade with down movement for 1 minute, since at the moment it has already broken through this level and stopped. We also can see that a wick up has appeared. That means that the price has stopped and it has no more strength to go up. It means that very soon there will be a rollback down. So you can see red candlestick is also forming, and here it's more likely that the rollback will occur again to the support level, since after the breaking through the resistance level becomes a support one. Well, let's wait for the end. Well guys, it's not bad. The price rolled down and here we have got the profit. So 1 minute was enough for us, and we can continue to consider the next situation. Here you also can see the support level. The price touched it and then bounced up, and after this rollback the price is again moving to our level. And right now the price has already broken through this level with a good red candlestick. So in this situation let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes, because immediately after the breakout the price rolled back up. The small flat or a small rollback up are possible in this situation because the price doesn't have much strength to immediately go down with an impulse for it down, and in this situation there will be a slight resistance, that's why I took a trade for 2 minutes, and after a small flat the downward movement is likely to continue. So guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, the price really broke through this level and went down. It's been a flat and a small rollback here, but after this downward movement continued and this level was broken through completely. Well, everything is going well. Let's continue to consider the next situation. Well, here you also can see a resistance level at the very top. The price touched this level and after that there was a rollback down. After this bounce, it continues to move up again. A small rollback down naturally also occurs. I also draw your attention to the fact that there is an internal level at which the price also gives a reaction. And it just rolled back to this level and then the price continues its upward movement. I think that in the near future the price will still move to the main resistance level, which is at the very top, since the general trend is upward movement, and in this situation it is better to open a trade for 3 minutes with up movement. Take into account that a small flat or a small rollback down is possible. There's likely to be accumulation, after which the upward movement will continue. So guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, it's not bad. As you can see, after the flat, the price continued its movement to this level and almost touched that. We have managed to close this trade profitable, and also the logical rollback occurred from resistance level, and now we have worked the approach to the level. Further, anything can happen. Maybe this level will be broken through, or perhaps the small flat will take some time. But it may be that this level will not be broken through absolutely, and the reversal will occur. The price will go down after that, because I cannot see this sticking to the level and no prerequisites for this. So let's find another situation. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and right now the price is moving quite confidently to this level. There was also a false breakout, the place where the wicks go beyond this level, and after that there was the logical rollback down. Well, here I would like to open a trade for 2 minutes with up. The price will probably break through this level and then will go higher, because the price has a very good potential for an increase, and it's been moving quite confidently up. And I suppose that after a rollback down it will just continue to move to this level, but this level will be not broken through, and we can expect a small flat. But I think that in this situation the price will just continue to move to the resistance level, and let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued its movement to the level after a rollback, and here we have got the profit. So 2 minutes were just enough for this. So we also can see that the price is slowing down, and also pay attention to the price minimum, it's getting higher, thereby sticking to the level. So here I suggest to take some time, because the price is moving quite slowly and small candlesticks are being formed. I suggest to wait, maybe there will be some small flat, and the price will move in the price range. Here we can see the lower section of this price range, and the price doesn't roll back far, and it's been moving in this range, and this situation indicates that there is accumulation, and very soon this level will be broken through. So now we need just to wait until the price starts to go beyond this level, then we need to open a trade with up. So here you can see the price is going beyond the level, so we're opening a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think this time will be enough for this, and the price will break this level and then go up. So 2 minutes will be with the reserve, because the price is moving quite slowly, and the breakout will not be such impulsive as it usually happens. And after this small flat, the price will continue its upward movement. Well guys, you can see that the breakouts can be different. There are impulsive breakouts with good and long candlesticks, and sometimes it's the slow ones with very small candlesticks. But anyway, the level is broken through and the price went higher. We have got the profit. So the price forms its formation about itself in candlesticks. You just need to understand and learn this information correctly, as we have done right now in this situation. Well, let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, here we also can see that there is the upward movement to the level, and right now near the resistance level there is the small flat, and it's kind of sticking to the level or the accumulation before the breaking through. I cannot see the rollbacks, just accumulation. So here let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, because the price is already starting to go beyond the level, and I think that in this situation the level will be broken through by small candlesticks, because near the level there is the flat with small candlesticks, and this situation is somewhat similar to the previous one. So let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After the small flat, the price continued its upward movement. This level was broken through, and the breakout happened with small candlesticks, as I said. No, the situations on the market always repeat. So let's continue. Well, here we can see the resistance level. The price touched this level, then rolled back down, and now after 3 minutes the price is again moving to the level with very good confident candlesticks. and also there was a false breakout. So in this situation I think about opening a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that after a slight roll back down it will continue to move to this level, and this level will be broken through, because I can see the sticking to the level and the price minimum becomes higher, and 2 minutes will be with the reserve because I can expect a small flat, and after that this level will be broken through. So guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, it's not bad. As you can see, the price continued its upward movement and this level was broken through completely. We have got the profit. 2 minutes were enough for this situation. So in this situation there was the impulsive breakouts of the level, and before this I couldn't see the small flat, just a small roll back down. But anyway, 2 minutes were enough for this situation. Well guys, my deposit is $5,000 and I would like to find the last trade for today. Well guys, here you can see that the price has been moving quite confidently to our level, and also you can see the resistance level at the top. The price touched this level first time and then rolled back down, and right now it's again approaching this level. The price minimum is getting higher. We also can see that the moment it has approached this level with very good candlesticks, and it's starting to go beyond this level. So I would like to open a trade for 2 minutes without, because I think that in the near future this level will be broken through and I can see a very good potential for an increase. And 2 minutes will be with the reserve because there can be a small roll back down or perhaps the small flat again. But anyway, this level will be broken through in the near future because such a good impulsive upward movement doesn't just fade away. Maybe I think that this level will be broken through by an impulse. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, this level was broken through by an impulse, and immediately after that there was a roll back down. The price was moving quite impulsively, but the upward movement continued and this level was broken through, and then the price fixed about this level. So we managed to close this trade profitable, and 2 minutes were enough for this. So my deposit is $7,000 and I would like to stop here because I fulfilled my plan for today and all the situations on the market were quite nice. So we correctly predicted the further price movements at the levels, and you know, unfortunately I cannot put my experience into your heads as well as the information that I know, because each of you should get this experience on your own. Do not give up, train as much as possible, watch the charts, accumulate the experience. First try to work out one situation on the market, then work out the pullback from the level, then practice the breakout, then pull back after the breakout. Practice always, try to analyze your trade and try to find what you can determine best and walk in this direction further. Continue to accumulate the information this evening, because if you find at least one situation for yourself on which you can work out best, means that you're going in the right direction, and it is possible that in the future you will work out your transactions on these situations. As you understand, traders can be different. There are generalists who can trade on all the situations, or there are narrow profile ones who are excellent at working out only on some situations. You know, the most important thing is that both of them earn money. Try to find your ideal perfect strategy. Perhaps this will be quite enough for your trading and you will also be able to earn good money on it. Well guys, I hope this video was clear for you and all the information that you got here was very useful and you will work out the situations that I was talking about. Do not hesitate to write your comments and ideas for the new videos, because I take these questions and comments as a motivation and inspiration for myself for the new videos, and thanks to you I record them. I remind you again about my personal Telegram chat with trading signals, with the conversations, with a lot of interesting things. Find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private into the direct messages. I will add you there. It will happen very fast. Subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I will see you in the next videos.